everyone, this is Cindy with Create the Heart. So if you watched my Stamp Joy series, in video number 2, I talked about the Friday class, and we made 4 cards. Like, everything is in disarray because I was doing this class in the middle of trying to get my house ready to get flooring done. I'm getting like 1,100 square feet of flooring in my house this week. So it's been hell because I've lived here for 15 years trying to get everything ready. So I forgot to show this card, which was project number 4, and it was my favorite, and I didn't show it to you. I just love the colors. I love that we were supposed to use paste, but I just couldn't face getting the paste out, so I actually stickled. I used some diamond stickles on my raindrops instead, but I love this card. So this is class project number 4. So anyway, and I decided it's time to pull out things that I've never used. So that was kind of my goal, and I've kind of been slacking. But I pulled out a couple things which I believe might still be on clearance over at Paper Trey Inc. I don't know. I bought these a while ago. I bought them new. So this one's called You Make My Heart Soar, and I have the dies. And then Bear Hugs, and I have the dies for that as well. So I got that. And here are my cards. So I'm showing you both of these because I kind of combined the sets. So what I did was I stamped out a bunch of these images, and then I cut them all out, and then I put them on cards. And so this heart image was kind of left over. So I used it to make a really, really simple card, and I actually really like it. A lot of white space. So it's just the stamped image and also the stamped strings for the balloons, and then the sentiment, You Make My Heart Soar. Really simple. And then we've got this card right here where I just used a scrap of plaid lawn fawn paper, and I've got my little bear holding some flowers and some balloons, and it says sending big hugs and get well wishes. And then this card, I saw this card on Pinterest. So this is a case, but I don't know who did it. But anyway, I just stamped the hearts in different colors all around. And then I've got my balloons. And these are really easy to use because there's no coloring involved. These are the kind of stamps where no coloring is involved. You just stamp out the colors that you want. And I love this. It just says Bear Hugs. And this one says with love in there. So, and then the last one says sending big bear hugs on your birthday. So the bear has got a hat and a cupcake and is holding some balloons. So really fun cards, easy to use stamp set. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Create the Heart.